recurrence relation. Recurrence relation is a mathematical rule that we can use to generate a sequence. We'll have a starting point, and then, which is V0, and we can use the rule to generate the sequence. Example, consider the sequence 10, 15, 20. We have Vn, which is the term that we're going to start with, and V of n plus 1, which is the next term, and this is what we're doing, we're adding 5. We must always write V of 0, whatever that starting value is. Okay, so we get our whole recurrence relation like this: the starting value and then the rule of what we have to do to get our next term. Example 1 says generate a sequence from a recurrence relation. Write down the first 5 terms of the sequence defined by this recurrence relation, showing the values of the first 4 iterations. Well, first 4 iterations, let's just do the first 5 because it's asking us for the first 5. So this is our starting value, number 9, and this is the rule that we have to find. So to get the next term, see how it's got here, V of n, and then V of n plus 1. n plus 1 means the next term. So to get the next term, we're using the term and we're subtracting 4. So I'll give you an example. If n equals 0, here, in this one, we'll get 0 plus 1 equals V of 0 minus 4. Well, V of 1 will equal V of 0. V of 0 is 9 minus 4, which means V of 1 equals 5. You don't want to do that all the time. So V of 2 is going to be the 5, V of 1, I'll write V of 1 minus the 4, which means it's the 5 minus the 4, which is the 1. Again, you don't need to want to do that all the time. So V of 3 will be 1 minus 4, so negative 3. V of 4 will be negative 3 minus 4, so we get negative 7, and so on. We can use a calculator. Okay, same as before, we put our initial value, in this case 300, and we press enter. And then, again, it won't have the 300 here, it will have the word answer. We're going to follow this rule. So we're going to times it by 0.5, and then we're going to subtract 9. And when we do it and keep pressing enter, 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 we get all our list. And we just write the first 5 terms. So we've got 300, we have 141, we'll have 61.5, we'll have 21.75, that's the fourth one, and we'll have 1.875.